Okay, so I'm leaving the Cosmic. Just had a conversation with the guy working there. He was real cool, real nice guy. Just didn't want to do it on camera, people working and stuff. And so, gonna walk around some more. And he said he lives like 3 kilometers away from here on a hill. And he said like, in this area you got some really beautiful views. And also he said if you want to get the South African experience, you have to eat biltong and braai. Biltong is beef jerky if you're in the U.S. Braai, it means barbecue. What's up, brother? And so one of the things I tell people here, South Africa is the exact same as Texas. They eat about the same. Because if you're in Texas, you're going to be eating barbecue and beef jerky. Oh, nice. So there's a life-size chess set for the kids to play. Furniture stores. You know what? Let me see what books they have here. Is this the... Let me see. They might have some journals. How you doing? Doing great, thank you. You make me... Let me see. So one thing that I like journals, but they have to have positive stuff on there that resonate with me. So I'm trying to see. Never give up. Be still and know. I kind of like this. This kind of speaks to me. Okay, I'm gonna end up getting this journal. Hey, how you doing today? Let me see. Actually, I'm gonna look on this back wall, see what they have there. Oh, excuse me. But I do like this one. So that is a candidate. Let me check the back wall. I think I saw one I like. Okay, these are a little bigger. Cherish every moment. Life is beautiful. I like to cherish every moment. I like the grateful. John C. Maxwell. Oh, that name sounds familiar. Name sounds familiar.
What is this? Now that you say we'll go with Philippines.
Good old playing there.
This content. This is a day-to-day devotion. This is mature. This is, the writing is
So the only thing I don't like about most of the journals here, they're pretty, not really masculine designs.
But the maturity of who she is inside her content, she's not an old woman. I hear what you're saying.
Be still and know. Some of me. Let me walk around, check those other ones real quick. I'm thinking. I like to cherish every moment. It's a big one. Gratitude. I think I'm gonna go with the other one. I like the smaller one better. Yeah, I like the smaller ones better. Okay, they have TDJs. Okay, I'm gonna go with the smaller ones. Refuse and show strong, courageous. Let's see. Those are our journals. Perfect. This will work perfect.
Hello.
How you doing? I'm doing great, thanks, and you?
You see?
Oh, that's
It's a
amazing.
really beautiful day outside, so
Yes, it is.
Everything is gorgeous. You get 20% discount, so why will we complain?
Exactly, and I get to find this beautiful mall today.
Does say. You're going to take it as is. You don't need a bag. to
Ah,
put
no,
it in.
ma'am.
Good. It's 49 then, sir. You
Oh,
pay
okay.
card or cash?
Yes, please.
Card. You may tap on the glass. I thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
And you may